imagine a home that moves? A luxury mansion on wheels that costs more than most villas in Beverly Hills? A vehicle that doesn't just take you places, it lets you live there, in pure comfort and style. Today, we're taking you inside the world's most expensive motorhome, a jaw-dropping machine worth over $3 million. But what's truly unbelievable is what's inside. Meet the Marchimobile Element Palazzo Superior, the world's most advanced and luxurious motorhome ever built. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving five-star palace. With a price tag of nearly $3 million, every inch of this masterpiece screams sophistication, technology, and ultimate comfort. Its design looks straight out of a science fiction movie. Sleek curves, aerodynamic lines, and a high-gloss aluminum body. At the top, there's an incredible sky lounge that automatically lifts to form a rooftop terrace, giving you a 360-degree panoramic view wherever you park. From the desert to the Swiss Alps, this rolling mansion looks equally at home everywhere. Step through the automatic glass door, and you'll feel like you've entered a private jet or a billionaire's yacht. Every detail, from the lighting to the textures, is designed to redefine luxury living on the road. The living room is pure elegance, furnished with Italian leather sofas, a 4K smart display, and a fully immersive surround sound system. The intelligent lighting adjusts itself based on your mood. Whether you're reading, relaxing, or watching a movie, the space transforms instantly. Next, the kitchen. It's sleek, digital, and fully functional, with induction cooktops, a smart oven, touch-activated water systems, and even a mini wine fridge. Everything is voice-controlled, powered by an onboard AI system that learns your preferences over time. Welcome to the master bedroom, your private sanctuary on wheels. The entire section is soundproofed for peace and comfort. There's a king-size bed, mood lighting, and hidden wardrobes that blend seamlessly into the design. And the best part? Your window view changes every single morning. Mountains, beaches, or city skylines, depending on where you decide to stop. The bathroom isn't just a necessity here. It's a private spa. Marble walls, rainfall showers, and a mini jacuzzi bring resort-level luxury into your journey. The toilet is fully automated and self-cleaning, inspired by airline-grade hygiene systems. At the heart of this motorhome lies its smart control hub, a fully AI-powered system that manages lighting, climate, windows, and entertainment. Say goodnight, and the entire vehicle prepares itself for bedtime. Lights dim, curtains close, and the temperature adjusts automatically. Yes, you heard that right. There's even a hidden garage inside. The rear section of the motorhome has space to carry a small sports car. With just one button, it lowers a ramp and deploys your car, so you're never without your ride, no matter where you are. And then there's the Sky Lounge. With a touch of a button, the roof transforms into an open terrace, complete with LED lighting and outdoor seating. It's perfect for watching sunsets, stargazing, or hosting an evening party under the open sky. Security? Beyond world class. The motorhome is equipped with military-grade surveillance cameras, biometric locks, and a real-time GPS tracking system. If anyone tries to approach without access, the system immediately alerts the owner. Despite all that tech, it's built to be self-sustaining. With high-efficiency solar panels and large lithium-ion batteries, the motorhome can run for days without plugging in. Freedom, comfort, and power, all rolled into one. Even in the middle of nowhere, you stay connected. 5G satellite internet, smart TVs, and onboard Wi-Fi make sure your entertainment never stops. You can stream, work, or game wherever you are on the planet. Now let's talk about the driving experience. Under the hood, it's powered by a 510 horsepower turbo engine, strong enough to move this mansion effortlessly. The cockpit looks more like an aircraft's, with digital navigation, massage seats, and an autopilot-assisted mode for long journeys. Every system in the vehicle is monitored by a smart diagnostic unit, which automatically alerts you when maintenance is needed. It's like having your own mechanic on board, 24/7. Only a handful of these masterpieces exist in the world. Their owners, billionaires, celebrities, and royal families, each with a fully customized version. No two Palazzo Superiors are exactly the same. The real beauty of this motorhome isn't just luxury, it's freedom. You can travel anywhere, from the quietest mountain road to the most crowded city, and still live in your own private paradise. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of life without limits. Marchimobile has redefined what travel means. They've proven that the future of luxury living isn't fixed to one address. It moves with you. A perfect blend of engineering, technology, and imagination. Imagine a home that follows you wherever you go. A world that travels with you. The Element Palazzo Superior isn't just a vehicle, it's a dream in motion. If you enjoyed this journey into the world's most luxurious motorhome, Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more incredible machines like this. Because luxury isn't just about money, it's about the experience.